merch t-shirt for ML4ALL.
Hi, my name is Kaleo Ha'o. I am a machine learning engineer, and I'm from Portland, Oregon, and we are at ML4ALL.
Hi, I'm Sue Hinton. I come all the way from New York City, and I'm here for ML4ALL conference.
Hi, my name is Claire Sullivan, and I am a data scientist in machine learning at GitHub.
Hi, I'm Sarah Kaiser. I'm a research engineer at Pensar Development in Seattle.
My name is Matt Burley. I'm a senior software developer with Pandora, the jewelry company, not the radio.
Hi, I'm Anna. I was born in Russia, then my family moved to Germany, and then I moved to San Francisco. So I am a computational linguist, so I'm very interested in applying any techniques to natural language processing. It includes rule-based things, but also machine learning and deep learning.
It's the way of the future. That might sound like a cliche, but it's true. If you know anything about this and artificial intelligence, it's such a buzzword right now because the technology that we're developing is different. It's smart. It's learning very, very complex tasks that we've never been able to do before, and it's going to change the way we do everything. What makes ML4ALL different is that there's a siren in the background. It makes ML4ALL interesting and different, in my opinion, is that it's designed for everybody. It's kind of in the name, but we're here to get machine learning out to everybody. It's something that everybody should have somewhat of a grasp on because it's such a big part of our future.
I think that a lot of our industry is going to be impacted by machine learning. I think it's going to become one of those fundamental things that is going to kind of get its tentacles into everything at some level over the next few years. So I want to start learning about it and stay at least maybe not ahead of the curve, but with the curve. The people.
The people.
I mean, the content is great, but the people and being able to talk to the presenters and talk to all the attendees, and I've met some very good friends at the conferences here in Portland.
I have always loved both math and programming, and I just really like that I can use my knowledge of statistics to solve really fun real-world problems. I love ML4ALL. It's just really cool to see a whole bunch of people with like a complete spectrum of skills in machine learning, and bringing them together and democratizing machine learning for every level of skill. I think that's highly cool.
I think machine learning is a really interesting new field that really is going to have significant impact moving forward. And it's a really great opportunity for us as a community to really frame what we want the future of computing to look like. I really like the introduction stick. And just in general the considerations for the people aspect of the conference. So codes of conduct, reiterating that at multiple points, and making everyone actually feel like this is a welcome community and family. Yes, I am. It's about quantum machine learning and what that actually is in the context of what we all know machine learning is.
And I like machine learning because it makes it very easy to apply different things to difficult concepts. ML4ALL to me, it's less about showcasing projects. It's more about explaining things to people who are just trying to get into the field. And that makes it so different from other tech conferences that I've been to, because a lot of time it is a competition. Here it is a community. And this is why the organizers did such a fantastic job, just trying to connect people with the same interest. And it feels more like a party sometimes than a conference, but that's a good thing.
I really like machine learning because of the potential that it has to improve people's lives. I know that there's some really, really cool tech around it, but I really always think about, like, the first thing I think about new tech is what can it actually do to assist people? How can it make us better humans as a result of that? So ML4ALL is a very different kind of conference to other machine learning conferences in that it's not purely academic, it's not a bunch of really long talks about papers that you can't make sense of. I really like that it's a super approachable intro to machine learning, and it gives people a place to sort of feel that they can understand this new technology, and it gives them points to then take away with them when they get home to then explore the topic further. The venue here is actually really cool. It seems to be some old historic building, and there's a really interesting green room, and I think that it kind of adds to just the friendliness and the how welcoming the conference has been, and I think that all of the AV has been super on point as well. I totally want to come back to ML4ALL next year. I was a speaker this year, and it'd be great to go and see talks as an attendee next year for sure. I'm very excited to see what people bring to the table next year as well.